OSK-Technology has over 20 years of experience in the heavy industry and offers a full range of services, from engineering concept to full operational support. Behind us are more than 100 successfully completed projects. Our technological portfolio includes machinery and equipment for heavy industry, rollers and idlers, electric motors, pipes and pipelines. Our production facilities are also equipped with a forging and press workshop, and an electric welding workshop. The total production area is over 25,000 square meters of modern production facilities. We ensure that quality starts with certified materials, maintaining control at every stage of production. This approach guarantees the reliability and durability of our products. We provide support at every stage of the product lifecycle. Choose confidence with a reliable partner for heavy industry. OSK Technology, proud to be made in Ukraine.